Welcome to Crypthority. This is a quick video guide on how to subscribe for the Lazio fan token. Right, so you go to the launch pad, and then clicking on that, we see that we are some minutes into the subscription, and then we have about 3 hours to go, 3 hours and some minutes to go. So quickly, we just move down here to commit BNB. Now, what's up here is that you needed to hold at least 0.1 BNB. If you come here and you try to subscribe and it doesn't work out, it means that you simply didn't hold the minimum threshold of BNB during the 7-day period. All right, so you can, yes, decide to buy BNB today. Just wait for the market to open, and then the price retraces a little bit before you can enter. Right, so already we can see that we have over 2 million BNB already committed, and we have over 100,000 participants. Right, so I'll just hit commit BNB. But one thing you should know is that you may have BNB, but you may not be able to still commit because it is buried in your vault, in the BNB vault or savings. So just make sure that you redeem before you come back here, right? Because only BNB in the spot wallet will be allowed. So right, I just hit the commit, and then I come here, max commit 0.56 spot wallet and all that, right? So I want to commit everything max. So with that one, I max out everything. I've agreed. Then I hit the commit now. So yeah, once committed, it's going to be locked and I cannot redeem until the distribution takes place. Yeah, so I agree to that. So once you commit it, it's locked. You can't sell, you can't buy, you can't do anything. I mean, you can't sell and you can't do anything with it, right? Right, so you just hit the commit button and successful. All right, so as you can see, the BNB committed is rising, and that's a lot of interest for this particular launchpad. We should expect the price to go above $10. Okay, so $10, $20, $30. I believe that we should see the price way above $10, way above $10, because the starting price is $1 and the interest is high, as you can see. So we should see around $30 and above. It's not possible. I mean, it's not impossible at all. All right, so that is it. That is it for it. If you want to know how to trade this, you can check the link in the description for the trading strategy on how to trade when the market actually opens. And this is a question I usually get: can I sell immediately the market opens? Of course, yes. It's just like any normal spot pair, right? You can hit the sell button immediately the market opens. The only thing you should note is that in the few seconds and minutes, the price is very volatile, very highly volatile price movement. So in order to make up for any discrepancy or avoid any discrepancies, you can use a limit order. So if you see that the price around $30, $35, $30, $31, $35, you can get a very good spot, maybe 32, a limit order, and it's executed. Ensure that your limit order prices are in the range of the current price movement. Or you can just hit sell using the market price, and it will also go through. So there are no restrictions because it's a launch pad. Immediately the market opens, you can do anything you want, just like a normal spot pair, right? So you can buy, you can sell, put limit orders, OCO, whatever you want to do, you can feel free and do that. All right, so thank you for making time to watch this. All the very best, and catch you later.